If you're struggling to get a clear view of microscopic details in your experiments or hobbies, you're not alone. Here are the 5 best options I found, and one you should definitely avoid. Product number 1. Pali Partners Compound Microscope. The Pali Partners Compound Microscope caught my eye with its professional-grade features at a very reasonable price of $109.99. This microscope offers 100x to 2000x magnification, making it perfect if you want serious clarity and detail for your biological studies. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The WF-25X eyepiece and multiple objective lenses give you the flexibility to observe everything from plant cells to tiny microorganisms. With dual LED lighting and 6 brightness levels, you'll get optimal contrast for transparent and opaque specimens, allowing you to see details you might have missed otherwise. And with over 600 units sold in the past month, it's clear that many others are finding it valuable too. Now, some people complained about the build quality feeling a bit flimsy. Here's the thing though, given the price point, this is still a great option for casual users and students. If you need something super durable for heavy lab use, you might want to consider more expensive options. This is perfect for you if you're a student or hobbyist looking to explore the microscopic world without breaking the bank. Skip this one if you're a professional needing top-end durability and features. Overall, it's a great value for what you get. Now, if the Pali Partners durability concerns worried you, this next product might take a completely different approach. Product number 2. Andenstar AD246S-M HDMI Digital Microscope. The Andenstar AD246S-M, priced at $139.99, which really stands out with its HDMI output feature. If you're looking for a modern twist on traditional microscopy, this could be your perfect match. This model boasts a stunning 2160p UHD video recording capability, allowing you to project your findings on a larger screen effortlessly. Imagine observing live specimens with crystal clarity. The included 3 lenses cater to various needs, whether it's soldering, coin observation, or biological studies. The adjustable boom arm gives you flexibility for larger projects, which is especially handy for electronics repair or intricate biological work. Plus, with over 500 units sold recently, it's definitely gaining traction. However, some users noted that the lens switching mechanism is a bit cumbersome. I get it, if you're in a hurry, fumbling with lenses can be frustrating. But for those who value versatility and high-quality outputs, this is a minor hiccup. This is highly recommended for adults and kids alike who want a multifunctional digital microscope. Skip this one if you prefer a straightforward traditional microscope setup without all the bells and whistles. It's a solid investment for its features. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for those focused on biological studies. Product number 3. Andenstar AD210 LCD Digital Microscope. Let's talk about the Andenstar AD210. At $89.98, this one is a fantastic budget-friendly option that doesn't skimp on features. It's perfect for anyone wanting clear, detailed views without spending a fortune. This microscope comes with a 10.1-inch IPS display that supports 1080p video capture and a 32GB SD card for easy storage. The versatility of this microscope means you can explore everything from coins to biological slides, making it a great choice for students and hobbyists alike. The adjustable working distance gives you the freedom to focus on different specimens, and the included accessories make it a comprehensive kit. Plus, with over 300 units sold recently, it's clearly a popular choice. However, some users have mentioned issues with the stability of the stand. Honestly, if you're working on delicate slides, this could be a concern, but if you're mainly using it for casual explorations or repairs, it shouldn't be a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you're a beginner or a student who wants a user-friendly microscope at a great price. Skip this if you need something with a more solid construction for professional use, but for the price, it's hard to beat. Now, if you're looking for even more advanced features, the next microscope is definitely worth considering. Product number 4. the Trinocular Microscope by Wursch. The Trinocular Microscope by Wursch is a bit of a step up at $279.99, and it's packed with features that are great for serious biological studies. If you are looking for something that can deliver high-end performance, this is worth a serious look. With a magnification range of 40x to an impressive 5000x, this microscope gives you the ability to see incredibly fine details, which is essential for laboratory-grade observation. It includes wide-angle eyepieces and an LED lighting system that enhances clarity, making it easier to differentiate between the tiniest of samples. The dual mechanical stage allows for precise movement of slides, which is a big plus for accurate examinations. With over 200 units sold recently, it's clear this model is gaining attention. Now, some users have reported that it took a while to set up due to the numerous features. I'll be real with you, if you're not tech savvy, it might feel overwhelming at first. But for those who invest the time, the clarity and functionality are fantastic. This is perfect for advanced students or professionals who require precise and high-quality observation tools. Skip this if you're a casual user looking for something simple and easy to operate. It's definitely a worthwhile investment for serious users. Now, if all those features felt a bit much, let's dial it back and look at a more straightforward option. Product number 5, the Pali Partners Compound Binocular Microscope. Finally, we have the Pali Partners Compound Binocular Microscope, priced at $129.99. This might be just the thing if you want a balance between quality and ease of use. Offering 40x to 2000x magnification, this microscope is versatile enough for both educational and professional use. The dual LED illumination system allows for optimal lighting, making it easier to see both opaque and transparent specimens clearly. The mechanical stage is another great feature, helping you to navigate your slides without losing focus on what you're observing. This model has recently sold over 200 units, proving it's a reliable choice. However, some users found the eyepieces to be less comfortable during long viewing sessions. Here's the thing, if you're planning to use this microscope for extended periods, it might not be the best option for comfort, but for short educational sessions and experiments, it's more than adequate. This is perfect for students and hobbyists who want an affordable, quality microscope for everyday use. Skip this if you need something designed for long hours of detailed work. For the price, it offers solid value. So there you have it. Each of these microscopes has its strengths and weaknesses, catering to different needs and preferences. We covered the Pali Partners Compound Microscope, the Andenstar AD246SM, the Andenstar AD210, the Wursch Trinocular Microscope, and the Pali Partners Compound Binocular Microscope. If I had to pick just one, I'd go with the Wursch Trinocular Microscope because of its incredible clarity and range of features, which are perfect for serious biological studies. Avoid the Andenstar AD210 if you prefer a more stable setup for intricate work.